Since my close circle knows I've been talking to a lot of customers lately, I got asked, how can I tell if a customer is just trying to be nice or if they actually have a buying intent? And it made me think this is a perfect video for some education. In the B2B world, there is a thing called BANT, B-A-N-T. B stands for budget, A stands for authority, N stands for need, and T is timeline. So when you talk to a B2B customer, you got to make sure you have all of those. Do they have the budget for your product? Do they have the authority to make the decision for your product? Is the need right now? Or is the need maybe 2 years from now? And then there's T, timeline, meaning, again, is there a timeline to make this implementation? So anytime you talk to a B2B customer, you always have to be filling out and thinking about BANT, B-A-N-T. That will help you in your B2B pursuits. This is day 72, getting my AI platform, $10,000 a month in recurring revenue.